I have one question specifically about the education part. So, do you feel today that you work with, I guess, like security champions in your development teams, right? Do you feel it's working well? Do you feel that kind of developers actually get the sense that they care about security, or you say, okay, I got to a point that I understand they don't really care security, but they need to run fast, right? They have a manager, and the manager run features, and customers want bug fixes, and then you say, okay, I have to move to a level down and just enforce automation, otherwise I'm doomed, right? So that's my main question, I think.
Perfect. One thing that it's personally my opinion is we need to separate two things. What is acknowledgement that AppSec professionals should have, and what security acknowledgement the development should have. So we have two things, and one mistake in the past that is I commonly see in every company is, let me try to make this developer a security professional. And for me, this is a big mistake because they should be good developers, excellent developers. And as application security specialists, we need to create software and skills that could be absorbed in development and not transform developer into security professionals. So we need to separate what's the main acknowledgement that developers should have, and we need tools for that. For example, when we talk about shift lefting, probably in the past we were talking about SAST. Okay, now we are not talking about SAST. Now we are talking about VS Code extensions with AI to provide runtime acknowledgement and auto fixes for security when we are working, when we are developing, and not start developing, submit the code to a cloud, run a bunch of scripts, and then we have a feedback, and sometimes in 1 hour, 2 hours after the code is pushed.
Yeah.
So we need to write code and get feedback instantly. So if we work directly in this part, yes, we are good. But if we think that with one talk a month, let's talk about security, once a month, probably we will not continue with a good security champion program. So we need to be constantly with the developer and with knowledge that matters for the development team, not trying to make a developer fifth time development, fifth pen tester.
Yep, totally agree.
Oi, gostou desse corte? Então te aconselho a seguir o perfil que tem muito mais conteúdo e também te convido a continuar o episódio completo na íntegra.